2026 is shaping up to be a landmark year for pharmaceutical regulation worldwide. With sweeping changes from the FDA in the United States and major reforms in the European Union, pharmaceutical companies must be more agile than ever. These regulatory shifts will influence how quickly new drugs reach patients and how companies navigate the approval process. At Curex Bio, we help clients stay ahead of these changes, focusing on pharmacovigilance, clinical operations, and compliance across India, the USA, and Canada. The stakes are high. Adapting to new standards can mean the difference between fast-track approvals and costly delays. In this video, we'll break down the most important updates, starting with the FDA's new approach to drug approvals and moving through EU reforms, global harmonization, and the latest in clinical trial methodologies. Let's begin with the FDA's pivotal policy change. In February 2026, the FDA announced that a single, well-controlled study supported by confirmatory evidence will now be the standard for new drug approvals. This marks a shift from the traditional two-trial requirement, streamlining the process for many therapies, especially those for common diseases. Meanwhile, the FDA's new plausible mechanism framework is revolutionizing personalized medicine, allowing one product application to address multiple genetic mutations in a single trial, especially for ultra-rare diseases. Across the Atlantic, the EU's pharmaceutical legislation overhaul is being hailed as a historic milestone. The EMA's new governance structure and work program are set to boost innovation and patient access across Europe. These changes demand that sponsors build robust evidence packages and adapt to evolving expectations. Beyond the US and EU, 2026 brings global harmonization and new methodologies to the forefront. Australia's TGA is implementing the ICH E6 R3 Good Clinical Practice Guideline, fundamentally redefining clinical trial oversight. The FDA and China's NMPA are also recognizing Bayesian methods, which use adaptive designs and prior information to make trials more efficient and informative. Meanwhile, the EMA is expanding the DARWIN EU project, building a robust infrastructure for real-world evidence across Europe. The World Health Organization has issued new guidance to ensure balanced access to controlled medicines, aiming to close gaps in pain relief and epilepsy treatment worldwide. These initiatives reflect a broader trend. Regulators everywhere are embracing innovation, data-driven approaches, and patient-centric frameworks to keep pace with scientific advances. Navigating this rapidly evolving regulatory landscape requires expertise and proactive strategies. Curex Bio offers comprehensive services to support every stage of your regulatory journey. Our pharmacovigilance team processes safety reports, manages risk, and ensures compliance with global standards. We provide integrated clinical project management, risk-based monitoring, and expert regulatory compliance tailored to country-specific requirements. With a global presence in India, the USA, and Canada, Curex Bio is your partner for seamless clinical trial execution and regulatory excellence. As 2026 ushers in transformative changes, partnering with experienced professionals can help you stay compliant, competitive, and ready for the future of pharmaceutical innovation.